Managing appointments manually leads to missed bookings, long wait times, and unhappy customers. Introducing WhatsApp Slots, the smartest way to manage appointments through WhatsApp. Customers simply scan a QR code and book appointments instantly using WhatsApp. No apps to download, just a fast, familiar booking experience. Businesses manage everything from a single real-time dashboard with automatic double booking prevention. No WhatsApp API approval, automated reminders, fewer no-shows, and higher customer retention. Who this system is for salon, clinic, and appointment-based businesses. Turn your WhatsApp into a fully automated appointment booking system. Start today with WhatsApp Slots.